Hi, I'm John and this is Up for Excel. Obviously you can move this chart anywhere around the screen, just literally dragging it. But clicking on Move Chart when the chart is highlighted will allow you to put it in a completely different sheet. So create a sheet of its own, for example, or you can move it to a different sheet within the same workbook. Now, if we do this, move it to a new sheet, I don't find sometimes that it works particularly well. I think you're better off start with the chart where you want it in the first place. So if you're going to want a chart as a sheet on its own, play around with it while it's like that, because when you move it, the font sizes and stuff remain the same, and it sometimes doesn't translate particularly well. Like, for example, the numbers on the columns here, so the data labels on the columns look quite small, and so do the axis labels. They also look quite small now. So you're probably better off just leaving it where it was. So I'm just going to move it back. So we had it as an object in here. Now, unfortunately, it's all it's messed it up again. So, right, I think it was probably something like that, and it now looks okay again. So moving charts around, not ideal in my opinion, unless you're moving it just to another sheet where it's going to be the exact same size and shape, then you're all right.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit subscribe for plenty more tips and tricks on Up for Excel, and I'll see you soon.